Farm Boys Diesel entry again. I know we'll see a bunch of them tonight.
Oh yeah. Winding it up. What you got?
That thing sounds pretty nasty already.
Yeah, what you got, guys?